Today I will talk about small features I'm implementing on my app, Clusterstack, and the impact they will have on the application. Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Lucas and welcome to the multi-billion-dollar studio, the one you might never heard about. Today we are back to talk about Clusterstack, and this is the ClusterLog 8, I believe. Finally, we're getting close to the number 10. And if you are a chubby wannabe entrepreneur like myself, buckle in, because today we're going to talk about updating and upgrading features on the app. And alright, so what is this feature, you might ask? First, I have to remind you what is Clusterstack. Clusterstack is a one-stop application for tech immigrants, a place where you can find information about visa, salary, jobs, and news, networking. And with all of that, we have as well a feature that is our primetime feature, where with personal information, we can define and show it to you which countries you might have better chances of moving. Although this is a free to download app, sometimes I feel like that a lot of people don't use the app and they don't want to download an application just to have this type of information. So because of that, I was thinking and doing some brainstorming, and then I decided to bring the chances of moving feature to outside the app to showcase to everyone how the feature works. So yes, we're gonna bring the feature to the browser, and along with that, we're gonna bring a new feature as well that's gonna be available on the browser too, which is the alert feature. And what is the alert feature? Too many informations, right? So the alert feature is an automated feature where recruiters and others will be able to post and fill jobs and services into Clusterstack application, and it's going to be spread along Clusterstack social medias. So it's going to be spread not just into the app, but into Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. With all of that, I'm going to show you guys how the applications work here on the screen. So let's go back here, and so we have here how the two features they work. So this is the flow of the features. So we start with the alert. On the alert, we're gonna have the verified user, and then after we verify the user, the user gonna set up which type of alert they wanted to input, and after that they're gonna compose their alert, and then after the alert is being composed, the user is going to be redirected to the payment piece. But the payment piece right now is going to be free of charge because we're still developing and delivering an application, and I believe that we don't need to have a payment right now for this feature. So what this payment piece here is going to be is going to be a simple push to the back end piece where we're going to create the alert and gonna refine the requirements, and then with that we're gonna send back the update of the alert if it's successful or not to the front end. So then the payment, if successful, is gonna redirect the user to the alert success. If it fails, it's gonna go back to alert compose to show what is wrong with the feature, with the alert the person is filling up. So with that, with the alert success done, the user is gonna be back to the alert front page. And the where to is going to be a similar process. So first, we're going to define the verified user, and after that, the user is going to fill up the some information that we need to process the user chances. So this is going to be processed into the backend and returned to the user, and then the user is going to redirect the page is going to redirect the user to the user chances, where we're going to show like all the countries that we have and the chances this person have to move to the countries that we support. This might not gonna have the success chances for England and Ireland, because first England, it has a different scheme for immigration, so it's still not totally normalized to our way to process the visa process information. and Ireland because Ireland is not part of Schengen area and is a little bit different as well. So within these two features, you see there is this piece called verify user. So this verify user is only a failsafe that we have against bots and trolls, where we want to verify if every user that's been trying to use this feature are actually a legit user. It's a person who's clicking and going through the process to create the alert or to know their chances of moving. So that's it. That's the two features we're going to be bringing to the front of the app on the browser, and going to be available on these two buttons here when the page will be available onto the app, onto the browser, sorry. Alright, it is defined how the feature is going to work. So when they will be available. The alert feature is almost done, and I believe it will be available soon later this week. And the discovery feature is going to be available a week later. And why, you might ask? Because we are deploying changes on the app for iOS and Android, and we are upgrading our servers. These fixes are being pushed this week too, so we're gonna have a massive update this week, and we have to be careful about how we're gonna be updating our application, right? So we can't be releasing a lot of features if you can't handle if there is a lot of bug to fix. So when we are a small team right now, so we are only 2 at the moment, so we double the team, but it still is a small team. And yeah, so we have these updates, and I'm gonna talk more about the app update. It's next Thursday or Friday. It depends how the update will work and how we're gonna be pushing, how the updates will impact on the app, and the release date is to be defined yet. And yeah, so that's all of this for today. I'm gonna leave the link for the Clusterstack app in the description. If you like it, please consider going into the app and check it out how it is. If you are from the tech area, I believe that's a lot of information for you there, and gonna really help you to at least start thinking which country you would like to move, and how you can manage your way to go to that country. And I'm gonna leave as well a link for my other social medias. And if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I see you on the next one.